Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a very cute little shaggy Revlon do. This one is called Darcy, and the color on Darcy is a new color for Revlon, 6-10R, also known as brown sugar. I'm going to highlight the color really quickly before I move on. I'm going to zoom in on this. Now, it's got a little overhead lighting, so I'm going to try to shield that so you can see the natural lighting hitting it here. This color does not have any red in it at all. So if you're picking up any red hues, that's from the overhead light. Very, very pretty color. It has like a really nice sort of almost like ashy medium brown base, very neutral. And then on top of that, it has a little bit of like a golden brown mixed in, but not much. And then the root is dark. It's a darker brown. It's kind of like a number 4. So really, really, really cool. Especially if you're the kind of person like me who likes the rooted brunettes and has a really hard time finding them. This brown sugar color might be a great option for you. Another note about this particular wig and some of the color offerings. Revlon has beautiful colors, and these wigs are made by the same parent company that makes like the Rene of Paris line. Darcy is a lot like Sky by Noriko. The cut is very, very, very similar to Sky. The biggest difference, and I mean this sincerely, is the amount of permatease. Sky has way more permatease in the top. So Sky is going to have a rounder look up here at the top, as most Noriko wigs will, just because they have so much permatease in them. Even the monofilament Noriko wigs have quite a bit of permatease in them. But Darcy is essentially, you know, a relatively similar cut. Achieves the same thing, just not quite as poofy on top, but lots of layering, beautiful, beautiful layering on Darcy here. Just gonna fluff it up a little bit more. I'm just gonna keep playing with it so you can kind of see some of the possibilities here. All right, now I'm gonna turn to the side. I love all this layering. I think that's really, really super duper cute. And here is the back. It's a pretty comfortable cap, very open, breathes really, really well. A little bit better breathing than, say, Scorpio or some of the other open cap offerings from the Revlon line. This one's also a little lighter weight. The actual weight on this one is only 2.47 ounces, so super lightweight. And I'll show you when I flip the cap inside out that it breathes really well. A little bit extra space in between the wefting to make it more comfortable and lightweight. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cut. Just super cute. I love these little bangs in the front, so it's just adorable. The fringe here in the front is 5.5 inches. The crown down is a shorter layer than in the front. It's only 5 inches. And then at the nape, only 3.5 inches, but it has some texture to kind of obscure the back here. So I'm going to go ahead and take Darcy off so you can see the cap construction that I've been talking about. Very, very open cap. Just a very small amount of permatease here. And again, just for reference sake, like I told you about the Sky, Sky has permatease all over the top. The entire top of Sky is permateased. This wig only has permatease here, down the middle, and in the back at the crown right here. So everywhere else it's just open. So it's open on the top here, it's open all around the sides, very, very open. Breathes really nicely, stretches decently as well. Has very nice Velcro closures, which is something I wish more of the wig lines offered. And these ear tabs, they're nothing special, but they're very easy to wear glasses with because you can just stick the glasses between the holes if they cover up your entire hair area. And here's the top. It's a rooted color, but you could see the permatease there in the middle. Doesn't really bother me that much at all because, like I said, it's not a lot. And if I hold the wig here, not a lot in the way of flyaways. Got a couple here and there, but nothing like some wigs. Some wigs with permatease, you get flyaways all over the place. Beautiful layering here in the back. Here's the nape, and you can use some shaping cream or MV Beauty Balm to really bring out the most in the styling here. Love all the fringe, fringe all over the place on this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. It's super easy to wear. You'll never need to comb it. Just make sure that the ear tabs are even on both sides. Kind of smooth down the front because I kind of like the way that looks, and fluff up the rest. So there you go. This has been a review of the beautiful, cute little Darcy wig by Revlon in the color Brown Sugar, which is a new, beautiful, rooted, neutral brown. Beautiful color. And be sure to check out my wig store, CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.